I have a Apple Watch Series 6 here, and you have an issue where it's frozen or unresponsive. Basically, you're not be able to do anything. Take note that this one is fixed, but let's just pretend I'm stuck on a screen here. Let's pretend I'm stuck frozen on this screen. I'm going to give you guys a couple solutions to get you up and running right now. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is this. What I want you to do is you have the crown button here and a side button. I want you to press and hold both buttons at the same time. Press and hold the same time, and do not let go until you see an Apple logo appear. So let's do this together, okay? Crown button, side button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until you see an Apple logo. Usually it takes about 15 seconds. I'm still holding on both buttons here, hoping that I'm going to see an Apple logo appear here soon. Still holding. Still holding. Oh, there it is, Apple logo. Go ahead and let go. And now, once it boots back up, you guys should be back up and running, okay? Now the thing is, if you still end up frozen or unresponsive after it boots back up, do the same thing again, okay? Press and hold the side button, or the digital crown and the side button. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until you see the Apple logo appear. Now the thing is, if you're still down, then the next thing I want you to do is this. Go ahead and grab your charger and go ahead and charge your Apple Watch. Let it charge for 5 minutes. Let it sit here for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I want you to come back, and while it's still charging, leave it on the charger and do the same thing, okay? Crown button, side button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until we see an Apple logo appear. Still holding on both buttons. It's still charging. Still holding, just waiting for that Apple logo to appear. Come on. Still holding. Still holding both buttons. There it is. Go ahead and let go, and then once it boots back up, you should be back up and running. If you're still having issues, do the same thing, okay? Let it sit there and charge for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, come back and do the same thing. Digital crown, side button. Press and hold. Do not let go until you see the Apple logo appear. Now, most of you guys should have your Apple Watch back up and running. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. All right? Good luck, guys. Bye.